7 shocking prophecies about the last days. 1. The rise of a global leader, Antichrist. References: Daniel 7:82, Thessalonians 2:3-4, Revelation 13. Prophecy: a powerful, deceptive world leader will emerge in the last days, opposing God and demanding worship. Often referred to as the beast or man of lawlessness. 2. The Great Tribulation. References: Matthew 24:21, Daniel 12:1, Revelation 6:16. Prophecy: a period of intense suffering, war, natural disasters, and persecution before Christ's return. Known as the worst time in human history. 3. The Abomination of Desolation. References: Daniel 9:27, Matthew 24:15. Prophecy: a sacrilegious act will occur in a rebuilt temple in Jerusalem, triggering the final events of the end times. 4. The Return of Jesus Christ, Second Coming. References: Matthew 24:30-31, Revelation 19:11-16, Acts 1:11. Prophecy: Jesus will visibly return to earth as king and judge, defeating evil and establishing his kingdom. 5. The Battle of Armageddon. References: Revelation 16:16, Revelation 19:19-21. Prophecy: the nations of the world will gather to fight against God's people, but will be destroyed by Christ at his coming. 6. The Resurrection and Final Judgment. References: Daniel 12:2, Revelation 20:11-15, John 5:28-29. Prophecy: all the dead will be raised, some to eternal life, others to judgment. This is the Great White Throne Judgment. 7. The New Heaven and New Earth. References: Isaiah 65:17, Revelation 21:22. Prophecy: God will create a new, perfect world where there is no more death, pain, or sin. The redeemed will live with God forever. Jesus' words on the end times: Matthew 24, Mark 13, Luke 21. Jesus gave clear warnings and signs of the end, including wars and rumors of wars, famines, earthquakes, and plagues, deception by false prophets and messiahs, the gospel preached to all nations,